I love you all, and for my grandpa Jose, who is up in heaven, I hope I'm making you proud. Number 17, Nick Hibden. Hi, my name is Nick Hibden. I am grateful to have been blessed with the opportunity to play 3 years of football. Unfortunately, this is my last year as Union Falcon. First and foremost, I would like to thank God for keeping me healthy and being by my side. I would also like to thank my mom for being a hard rock and pushing me even when I didn't want to be pushed and for supporting me at my games. I would like to thank my dad for taking me to practices and games. I love you, Mom and Dad. I would like to thank all my coaches through the years. Thank you for believing in me, especially my dad. Go Falcons! Number 19, Adriel Lopez. Hi, my name is Adriel Lopez. First, I would like to thank my parents for supporting me and believing in me and giving my words of
One
encouragement.
of the
Also,
rewards for
I would like
coaching.
to thank my
This is one of the
coaches
biggest
for
rewards
pushing
here.
me and helping me reach my full potential. And I would also like to thank my teammates for all the good times we have had on and off the field. Go Falcons! Number 24, Danny Gallegos. Good evening, everyone. I'm Danny Gallegos, number 24 for the 2024 Senior Falcons team. First, I would like to thank God for blessing me in my journey of life and for allowing me to play this great game of football. Without him, none of this would be possible. I would like to give a big thanks to my brother Miguel, Jose, and Marcos Gallegos for introducing me to this game of football and teaching me everything they know and for pushing me to be a better player every day. I would like to thank my coaches for teaching me more about the sport and believing and pushing me to succeed. My big thanks to all my friends, family, and everyone that has came along with
Is
me
my
through the
shadow
years.
on
I
the
just
way?
love the game of football.
My
I
shadow
can't
on.
wait to see these teams compete the next few years for the Harbaugh Eagles. And lastly but not least, I want to give a huge thanks to my parents, Ashley and Imelda Gallegos, for being there for me and supporting me through every game. Les quiero mucho, mamá y papá. Thank you and go Falcons. Number 26, Trinity Brandau. First, I would like to thank my mom and dad for always being my uninterrupted support, making sure I have everything I need and never missing any of my games. You have always been there to support me. I would also like to thank my coaches for pushing me to do my best. Coach Frank, I would like to thank you for giving me the opportunity to play my last year of youth football. I would also like to thank my two favorite aunties for always showing up and always being the loudest at every game and always cheering me on. Dad, I would like you to know how much I appreciate everything you have taught me on and off the field. Without you, I would not be the player I am today. You will always be my number one coach and my biggest fan. Lastly, I would like to thank my Uncle Tyler from up above for always watching over me. Trinity Brando, also known as Icebox. Let's go, Falcons! Rilney Hernandez. Hello, my name is Jose Hernandez. First, this is my last year as a Falcon football player. I would like to thank my coaches for everything they have taught me. Thank you, and I appreciate it. I look forward to playing in high school. Go Falcons!
Keep walking. Keep walking. Congratulations, man. Thank you. Love you. Go get your mom. Go get your mom. Go get your mama. She's waiting for you.
your evening. Go Falcons.
Keep dreaming big, kid. Keep dreaming big.
Get it. Playing high school football.
Congratulations, kid. Make your dreams work, okay? Go get your mama. Go get your mama. She loves you. Enjoy it.
Number 57, Jaden Martinez. Good evening, everyone. My name is Jaden Martinez. I am number 57 for the senior football team.
Felipe.
I would like to thank my parents for supporting me in everything that I do and thank them for all that they do.
Felipe.
I would also
Felipe.
like to thank all my coaches for helping me and trying to make me the best player I can be. Thank you, everyone, for being here tonight.
Thought your mom wasn't here. You lied.
She's here?
Yeah, good. Congratulations. Come meet her in the middle. Come meet her in the middle. Congratulations.
Number 75, Jeremiah Garcia. I want to thank God for making me who I am. I love you, Dad and Mom. Thank you for always being my biggest fans and supporters, and for the last-minute trip to sports stores to make sure I had everything I needed. A big thanks to my Aunt Sandra, Cecilia, and Mika for always being willing to pick me up or
All
take
those
me
years,
to
all those
practice.
years you put in work.
To my teammates,
Congratulations,
thank you
huh?
for the journey we shared through every challenge, every game, and
A lot
all
of
the
work put in.
hard work we did together. I'm proud to have played alongside you all. And to my coaches, I am beyond grateful for each and every one of you. Your guidance and support and belief in me have shaped me both on and off the field. Thank you for pushing me to be my best. I appreciate you all. Love you.
You're almost there. You're almost there. You're in the finish line.
Number 84, Landon Penn. I would like to give a thanks to my mom, my teammates, and my dad. My mom is one to thank for signing me up for football and for all my sports and made posters for me. I would like to thank my teammates too. They have given me a year that I will never forget. I can't forget about the coaches. I want to thank all my
Congratulations,
coaches
kid.
for all the things they have taught me so that I can be better in these last two games.
Time for the big leagues.
Finally, my dad, he is the one who gave me the passion for this game. Once we played Madden football, that's when I fell in love with the game. So the game that I love goes to him. P.S. Thank you, Tia Karina, for letting me use the computer. My name is Anulfo Hernandez, and I am number 89 for the Farball Falcon senior team. I want to thank my mom for everything that she has done for me. Thank you for being out here tonight. To all the coaches who have taught me everything I know, thank you. I appreciate it. Go Falcons.
All the hard work this year, huh? Congratulations, man. Love you. Go see your parent.
Juan, Juan.
All my
No.
coaches that were
Hey, no, 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 no. Hey, hey, no. Hey, not you, not you. No, Juan. Vamos. Juanito, come on.
Go Falcons.
Go see your mama. Go see your mama.
Last but not least, number 90, Lucas Frias, and no, I did not forget about him.
Come here. You got hug first, man. Bloody kid. Thank you. Go see your mama and your family.
I want to thank my dad for always believing in me and encouraging me with tiny things, including to my mom, my biggest supporter, always showing up for me whether I had a great game or a tough one. Your love and encouragement means the world to me. Thank you. Turn around like this to my coaches. You were always there in person. Your hard work, teamwork, and perseverance. And I'll carry those lessons with me into high school and beyond. Thank you to my teammates and everyone who made this season unforgettable. This concludes our 2024 Fireball Falcons Senior Night.
Keep it up! Keep that Falcon spirit up! Don't let it down! Don't let that Falcon spirit down! Are we fired up? Yes, we're fired up! Fired up and ready!
Still remember days when we had shit.